In this video, we will study about elasticity. Consider we apply a force on an object and the object does not move. Then that force must change the shape, size, or both of that object. Such a force is deforming force as it deforms the object. When an object in equilibrium experiences such a deforming force, the atoms in the body move from their equilibrium position, and this sets up internal forces among the atoms opposing this deforming force. When we remove the deforming force from the body, these internal forces try to make the atoms regain their original positions. On removal of deforming force, if the object regains its original dimensions, the object is called elastic, and this property is called elasticity. If the object does not regain its original dimensions, the object is called plastic, and this property is called plasticity. Steel, iron, quartz can be said to be elastic materials, and clay, putty, dough can be said to be plastic. But remember, there are no perfectly elastic or plastic materials in the universe. Now, stress can be defined as internal elastic restoring force per unit cross-sectional area of object. There are three types of stress: longitudinal or tensile stress, which is associated with the change in length of an object by deforming force; volume stress, which is associated with change in volume of an object by deforming force; and shearing stress, which is associated with change in shape of an object by deforming force. Next, the strain can be defined as change in dimensions per unit original dimensions. There are three types of strain, just like stress: longitudinal or tensile strain, which is the ratio of change in length to the original length; volume strain, which is the ratio of change in volume to the original volume; and shearing strain, which is the ratio of relative displacement of any layer to its perpendicular distance from fixed layer. Remember, strain is a dimensionless quantity. Let's now study Hooke's law. For that, we first need to know what elastic limit is. Elastic limit is the maximum stress which an object can withstand without permanent deformation. Within this elastic limit, stress is directly proportional to strain, or in other words, within this elastic limit, the deformation of an object is proportional to the force applied to it. This is Hooke's law. The ratio of stress to strain is called the modulus of elasticity. Let's discuss three elastic constants. Young's modulus, or elasticity of length, is the ratio of longitudinal stress to longitudinal strain. Bulk modulus, or volume elasticity, is the ratio of volume stress to volume strain. And modulus of rigidity, or elasticity of shape, is the ratio of shearing stress to shearing strain. Another related term is the Poisson ratio, which is the ratio of lateral strain or transverse strain to the longitudinal strain.